Title: How to Increase Your YouTube Views. Introduction: Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to increase your YouTube views. YouTube is a popular platform for sharing content, and increasing your views can help you gain more visibility, build a following, and even monetize your videos. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks to help you reach more viewers and boost your YouTube views. So, let's get started. 1. Choose the right content. The first step to increasing your YouTube views is to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. When writing your videos, consider the interests and needs of your viewers. Research keywords and focus on creating content that will be easily discoverable by searchers. Also, make sure your content is mobile-friendly and visually appealing, as viewers are more likely to watch videos with good quality visuals. 2. Optimize your videos. To increase your YouTube views, make sure to optimize your videos for search engines. Use relevant keywords in the video title, description, and tags. Also, use attention-grabbing titles and thumbnails that are easy to understand. These elements can help your videos stand out in the search results and attract more viewers. 3. Create a consistency. Consistency when it comes to increasing your YouTube views. Try to create a regular posting schedule and stick to a consistent theme or style. This will help you build a loyal audience who knows what to expect from your videos and is more likely to tune in. For promote your videos, don't forget to promote your videos on other social media platforms and forums. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, and other relevant communities can help you reach a wider audience and increase your views. You can also use relevant hashtags and engage in discussions to get your videos noticed. 5. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other YouTubers can be a great way to increase your views. Partnering with other creators can help you reach new audiences and expose your content to a wider variety of viewers. You can collaborate on projects, guest host each other's videos, or simply share each other's channels. 6. Create engaging call to action (CTA) buttons. Engaging CTA buttons can encourage viewers to click on your video and watch it. Try adding call to action buttons at the beginning, middle, and end of your videos to grab the viewer's attention and drive more views. 7. Analyze and optimize. Finally, it's essential to analyze your YouTube views and optimize your videos based on the data you gather. Look for patterns in your viewership and make changes to your content accordingly. Continuously improving your videos and optimizing your strategy can help you increase your YouTube views over time. Conclusion. In conclusion, increasing your YouTube views is a multifaceted process that involves creating high-quality content, optimizing your videos, promoting your videos, and analyzing your performance. By following these tips and strategies, you can increase your views and build a strong presence on YouTube. So, go ahead and start creating and promoting your content and watch your YouTube views soar. Happy creating!